Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Breaking news. Post ito ng ABS-CBN 1 hour ago. Basahin ko Tungkol ito sa Quadcom at pinapakasuhan si dating Pangulong Duterte. Breaking. House Quad Committee recommends filing of crimes against humanity charges against the following. Mabigat na kaso po ito, crimes against humanity. Ex-President Rodrigo Duterte, Senators Ronald De La Rosa and Christopher Lawrence Go, ex-PNP Chief Oscar Albayalde, Debolsinas, former PCSO General Manager Police Colonel Royena Garma, Police Colonel Edelberto Leonardo, and Ermina Moking Espino. Ayan. So, ilang tao ito? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 tao, crimes against humanity. Mabigat na kaso. Okay. May iba pa. The Quad Committee also recommended charges versus co-conspirators in the death of 3 Chinese nationals in Davao Prison and Penal Farm in August 2016. Number 1, ex-President Duterte, Police Colonel Garma, Police Colonel Leonardo, SPO4 Arthur Narzoles, and Superintendent Gerardo Padilla. Okay, the mega panel likewise recommended charges versus individuals allegedly involved in the killing of General Wesley Barayoga. Number 1, Police Colonel Garma, Police Colonel Leonardo, and 4 others. According to Representative Robert H. Barbers, further investigation should be conducted but not limited to Michael Yang, Alan Lin, Charlie Tan, Sammy Oy, Harry Roque, Cassandra Ong, Alice Go, and Tony Yang. The personalities are either implicated in the alleged drug trade or Pogo-related activities. So, yun po. So, dalawa po ang ikakaso kay dating Pangulong Duterte. Una, yung crimes against humanity, at saka ikalawa, yung pagkamatay ng 3 Chinese nationals sa Davao Prison and Penal Farm. Yan po ang rekomendasyon ng Quadcom. Anyway, rekomendasyon lang yan. Kasi yung findings ng Quadcom, I think ipapasa nila sa DOJ ba o sa Ombudsman. Bahala ang DOJ, I think DOJ or Ombudsman, na mag-evaluate sa ebidensya. Kung makita ng DOJ or Ombudsman na may sapat na basihan, sa kanila i-file ang kaso. Okay. So, hindi naman ako abogado. Kailan no problem ito. Mas maganda pa itong pangyayari ito na sasampahan na nila ng kaso si dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte. Yun ang matagal ng hamon ng dating Pangulo na file a case in court. So, huwag po tayong mag-alala. Rekomendasyon lang ito ng Quadcom. So, i-determine pa ng appropriate agency, DOJ ba or Ombudsman, then mamaya, i-file na nila. O, doon na. doon na magkakaalaman. Ang ano dyan is, gaano katibay ang ebidensya nila against kay former President Duterte, against kay dating, yung dalawang senador, Bongo and De La Rosa, against sa dalawang PNP chief, ex-PNP chief, Albayalde and Debulcenas. Gaano katibay yung ebidensya? Yan ang tanong. Gaano ka-credible ang kanilang witness, mga witnesses? Hindi naman tayo abogado, kaya lang very, hindi mo naman kailangan ng rocket science para i-determine mo yung credibility ng mga, itong mga nag-akusa, yung testigo ng Quadcom. Dalawang convicted na nakakulong na involved sa pag-smuggle ng illegal na gamot. Jimmy Guban and Mark Taguba. Mga convicted ang mga ito. Yung Police Colonel Asierto na nagtatago, nasa ibang bansa dahil may warrant of arrest. Arthur Las Cañas. Ano ba na? Arthur Las Cañas, lumang tugtugin na yan, mga pinagsasabi ni Juan. Then, ex-Senator De Lima, sino pa yung mga nila, yung Kerwin Espinosa. Ay, nako. Kung ako si PRRD, tawanan ko lang yan eh. Tulugan ko lang. Then, mas maganda, granting, masampahan na sila ng kaso sa Philippine Court. Mas maganda dahil lalong wala nang saysay yung ICC. Kasi bakit papasok pa ang ICC na meron namang ongoing na kaso dito sa Philippine courts? Yan ang tingin ko mas maganda kung matuloy na itong kaso. Kasi yun naman ang hiling ni dating Pangulong Duterte na anytime pwede siyang haharap ng alinmang kaso sa Philippine courts. Ganon din si Senator Villanueva, Senator De La Rosa, na willing siyang harapin ang kaso basta dito, Korte ng Pilipinas. Huwag lang yung ICC dahil walang pakialam sa atin ang ICC. So, to me, this is a welcome development. Yung rekomendasyon ng Quadcom na pailan ng kaso. Magkakaalaman na. Okay, ang daming comments. 3,500 comments. Orlando De Leon, sabi niya, mga comedians. Nagpapatawa lang daw itong Quadcom. Al Mokre, sabi, Duterte pa rin po. Matt Mar, the best President Duterte. Joaquin Salvador Trinidad, honestly, trip ko Duterte pero maganda ang peace and order niya. Peace and order niya. Jose Protasio Rizal, VP Sara Duterte is hardworking and brave leader. That's why she is my excellent choice to be. Bernardo Arellano Panizales, court is different from Quadcom. They will listen arguments and evidences. Quadcom does not. Jania Chowa, file a case in court with all your solid evidence. Anling Villanueva, ICC, you are very slow. Mark Anthony Canillas, the timing of the House Quad Committee's recommendation, despite being conducted in aid of legislation, raises concern about its true purpose. If the committee is truly focused on crafting laws, it should prioritize thorough investigations and legislative processes rather than issuing public recommendations for charges based on political motives. Oh, halatado po kayo, Quadcom. Okay, so, yan na. Bring it on. Hintayin natin ang response ni PRRD tungkol nito.